Imagine you're facing a problem where you're trying to enforce certain constraints on all properties of an interface. The challenge lies in ensuring that all properties are either a primitive, an object with properties that are also wrapped in a specific type, or a map where the values meet the aforementioned constraints. You're struggling to make it work seamlessly, and that could be quite frustrating. Moving on to the solution provided, it involves adjusting the declaration of the difference method within the map interface. By changing it to a method instead of a function value property, you essentially loosen the type checking, allowing for covariant behavior in the collections. This change resolves the issues you were facing with mapping mapAny, field string, or mapAny, field test obj within your interface declaration for custom state. Continuing on, the solution also emphasizes the importance of maintaining covariant behavior in collections like arrays, even though it may introduce potential risks. It showcases the significance of methods being checked bivariantly rather than contravariantly, ensuring that operations like push on arrays can accommodate variations in elements without compromising type safety. Moreover, the solution highlights how the declaration of push as a method in the ArrayT interface enables covariant treatment of arrays, allowing for safe operations within the collections. This approach ensures compatibility across different element types while maintaining type safety. In summary, by adjusting the difference method and understanding the nuances of covariance in collections like arrays, you can effectively enforce constraints on interface properties. With this solution, handling complex type relationships becomes smoother, ultimately enhancing the robustness of your code. So, remember to embrace the power of covariance in collections for a more flexible and secure development experience. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more coding insights.